versus Google Docs. Google Docs real-time collaboration automatic savings web-based no installation required, while MS Word requires installation no built-in real-time collaboration. Google Docs versus Microsoft Word, a battle of the word processor. Both Google Docs and Microsoft Word are powerful word processing tools, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The advantage of Google Docs. Google Docs is completely free to use, making it an attractive option for individuals and small businesses. Their advantages is limited features. Google Docs has fewer advanced formatting options and features compared to MS Word, while the advantage of Microsoft Word is extensive features. Microsoft Word offers a wide range of advanced formatting options, templates, and tools for creating professional looking documents. And the disadvantage is Microsoft Word is not free and requires a paid license or subscription to the Microsoft Office.
Your work is saved automatically in the cloud, reducing and risk of losing data. Multiple user can work on a sheets simultaneously and changes are updated in real time. So ang ihang disadvantage is compared to software like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets are favor advanced features, functionalities for complex data analysis. Excel advanced features. Excel offer more powerful features for data analysis like pivotable, advanced charting tools, and complex function. Ang ihang disadvantage feature is while recent version of collaboration features, they are not seamless as Google Sheets for real-time collaboration.
Advantage and disadvantage of MS PowerPoint and Google Slide. Advantage of Microsoft PowerPoint. Rich in features. Offers advanced tools like animation.